Merci. La parole est à Madame Lunacek. Une minute.
Si, Madame la Présidente, President, Vice President of the Commission, colleagues. Mr. Skripek's words here made me now decide to focus on the issue of LGBTI rights and the fight against homophobia in this common Europe. Mr. Skripek, I was quite surprised. You mentioned there is pressure on the sovereign state. And you meant Slovakia because of the referendum you did. I mean, nobody pressured the Slovak government or the Slovak parliament to decide on a referendum, a homophobe referendum. And when you said there was a huge campaign against this referendum, it wasn't fair. Well, the pictures I saw, most of them, there was even the Pope that you used in order to support you. So I really wonder, and that's a topic I had the chance also to speak with Vice President of the Commission Timmermans just recently, we really need an action plan, a roadmap against homophobia in our common Europe. Because we have infringement procedures for laws, but we do not have something that helps people, LGBTI people, to get their rights when it, for example, comes to information. Lithuania has prohibited a book with fairy tales that show LGBT people. So we really need an implementation of that with mechanisms and monitoring mechanisms to make sure that LGBTI people have the right to live
Madame
in freedom
Lunacek, vous
all
avez
over
largement
Europe.
dépassé votre temps.
Merci.
Monsieur Skripek, on ne peut pas faire un dialogue, donc nous allons passer à l'orateur suivant, Monsieur Sógor. 2 minutes.
Merci. Mindenképpen üdvözlendő, hogy az Európai Unió intézményei közül a Tanács és a Bizottság is foglalkozni kíván a tagállamokban felmerülő jogállamisággal kapcsolatos problémákkal. Itt a Parlamentben számos